Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you whether you can check mutual friends on the Snapchat application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Snapchat application on your device, and after you open it up, you will be taken into the home page from where you can directly start posting your stories. Now, in order to check the friend list of your friends, or in order to see whether you have any mutual friends with them, you will need to go into your chat menu first. From the chat menu, you will find your friends list. Go ahead and choose whichever friend you want to see the friend list of, and if you check within their profile, you might find that their friendships are private. And even if you have any mutual friend with this person, it will not be shown within the Snapchat application at all. This is because Snapchat values your profile privacy so that not anyone else can see your friends, even if these friends are mutual. And there you have it. I hope you found your answer on whether you can find and look for mutual friends with other friends on the Snapchat application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.